Hello, students. Welcome to Mr. Sandwich Reads. I am Mr. Sandwich, and this is an assessment for my 7th and 8th graders. So if you're not a 7th or 8th grader, you don't need to watch this. This is the Sonday System 2 assessment. I did post before this the Sonday System 1. That is for my 5th and 6th graders. So if you're a 5th or 6th grader, go check that out. Sonday System 1. This is Sonday System 2. If you're a parent or guardian or tutor, I will post a separate video just talking more extensively about the Sonday system and the Orton-Gillingham program. Some people call it Sunday. I call it Sonday. It's Sonday. And so for this assessment, I'm going to have my students spell each of these words. You're listening for these words. I'll read them 2 or 3 times as clearly as I can. Normally, when I've done this in the past, I read them in the classroom, but some students need me to repeat or want me to go slower. Other students want me to go faster. So I thought I would record it, and you can pause it if you need to. You could go back if you need to, or you could just listen to it. And if you really want to go quickly, I guess you could on YouTube go to 1.5, speed it up a little bit. But do make sure you get all of these words listed based on how you do. Whichever ones you spell correctly or misspell, it'll kind of tell me which rules of the language we need to work on and which ones we can skip ahead on. So 7th and 8th graders, if you're still with me, hopefully you got a pencil in front of you, as well as I'll have a printout to write on. But if nothing else, you just have a piece of paper and write these words as we go. You with me? I'm going to read these words, spell them as best you can. All right. We've got 4 lists here, which, by the way, is less than my 5th and 6th, so no complaining. And here we go. The first word is rename. Rename. After rename, we have the word mudslide. Mudslide. After mudslide is moonlit. Moonlit. It was a moonlit night. Moonlit. And then intake. Intake. Remember, try your best. After intake is hoist. 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 Invent. Invent. Then we have meter. Meter. So to read the electric meter. Locate. Locate. Thunder. Thunder. After thunder, we have distend. Distend. Then we have famish. Famish. And the last word on this list is evoke. Evoke. So just to go over the list, make sure you got them all. Rename, mudslide, moonlit, intake, hoist, invent, meter. I said invent, kind of weird. Invent, to invent something. Meter, locate, thunder, distend, famish, evoke. All right. Hopefully you got all those. We're moving on to list number 2. Scrunch. Scrunch. After scrunch, we have revise. Revise. Invoke. Invoke. Don't be confused. The last list we had evoke. This is invoke. After invoke, we have rejoin. Rejoin. After rejoin, bundle. Bundle. Ginger. Ginger. Mingle. Mingle. After mingle is cable. Cable. Decline. Decline. After decline is accept. And this isn't accept like I'm going to receive it. This is accept as in I like chocolate, except I don't like dark chocolate. Which is not true. I prefer dark chocolate, but most of my students don't. They like milk chocolate. So they like chocolate, except they preferred milk chocolate. So the word is accept. Accept. as in this, but not that. All right, two more on this list. We have perform, perform, and after perform is withdrawn, withdrawn. All right, we're halfway there. You're doing great. I'm sure you're doing great. The words, just go over them: scrunch, revise, invoke, rejoin, bundle, ginger, mingle, cable, decline, accept, perform, and withdrawn. All right, let's go on to list number 3. Griddle, griddle. So you make pancakes on a griddle. Useful, useful. Consume, consume. Title, title. Pre-test. After title, we have pre-test, pre-test. After pre-test is threadbare, threadbare. Yes, that is a word, threadbare. Give that your best shot. Provide, provide. After provide, we have submit, submit. After submit, mention, mention. Protection, protection. Gripping, gripping. And the last word on this list is elastic, elastic.